everyone. So today we will be seeing the operations which involves rational numbers. I think yesterday I have said you regarding the rational numbers. I have told you a definition. Rational number is a number which can be represented in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers, q not equal to 0. Right? So now we can write n number of rational numbers on the basis of definition. Suppose if I tell you 5 by 4, 6 by 2. 5 by 4 and 6 by 2 are two rational numbers. Now, either we can do has number of operations over here. I can add these numbers, I can subtract, I can multiply, I can divide. So today we will be firstly focusing on the addition of two rational numbers. So here also we have n number of ways to add two rational numbers. Okay, I'll just tell you a very basic and very easy method to add two rational numbers. The first method is a very easiest method, which we call it as butterfly method or cross multiplication method. What do you do here? Here, the denominator of the first number is multiplied with the numerator of second number. As well, the denominator of the second number is multiplied with the numerator of the first number. And the denominator of the two numbers are multiplied with each other. Now, tell the answers along with me now. So now see here, 2 5s are 10 plus 4 6 are 24 divided by 4 2s are 8 is equal to, add 24 and 10, it's 34, yes, very good, by 8. Now again you can just finalize this division. So we have 2 1s are and 14, 2 7s are 14, 2 4s are 8, so it is 17 by 4. Either we can leave the answer till here or we can again convert it into mixed fraction. For time we will hold this like this because we will now focus on the subtraction of the two rational numbers. Why I am telling now only the subtraction? Because this method is applicable for both addition and subtraction. The same thing again we will do again here. We will take the two numbers. We will suppose take it as 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2. Here cross multiply. Multiply the denominator of the second number with the numerator of first number. Multiply the denominator of first number with the second numerator of the number. Multiply the denominator. 4 2s are 8. 3 1s are 3 by 3 4s are 12. Subtract 8 minus 3, it's 5 by 12. Yes. So that is how we add or subtract the given rational number using butterfly method or cross multiplication method. One more method we have, right? So the biggest backdrop of this cross multiplication method is at a time you can just do two numbers. You can do 2 to 3 numbers also, but it will be a bit tedious to do. So what I suggest you is to follow one more simple method, which is called as LCM method. Suppose if I have 1 by 3 plus 2 by 4 plus 1 by 3. 2 by 3. I have two numbers. I have three different numbers, right? If you see the denominators are 3 4 3, right? Find the LCM of 3 4 3. Yes, very good. It's 12. So first write down the number which is divisible for the numbers. So 3 1s are 3 1s are. Write the 4 as it is. Again 4 1s are 1 1 1. So the LCM is, yes, it is 12. Now you should multiply the numerator with such a number such that you will get the denominator as the LCM. So yes, as you know, just now you said that it is 3 into 4. Suppose if I multiply 3 into 4, I will get 12. The same number should be again multiplied in the numerator. Go with the denominator. 4 3s are, again here 3, again here into 4, again into. Is this clear? Now 1 4s are 4 plus 2 3s are 6 plus 2 4s are 8. Whole divided by 12, which is equal to 4 plus 6 is 10, 10 plus 8 is 18, 18 by 12. Yes, you're correct. So now it's easy to divide. 6 2s are, 6 3s are, it is 3 by 12. Easy, isn't it? Yes. So this depends on the what LCM you are doing, right? Yes. That's it for today. We'll now do the next part of this, that is the multiplication and division in the coming classes. Thank you.